The third strategy that I found is called close reading. So it basically is between the student and teacher, the teacher asking students to critically examine the text, reread the text, and make careful observations about the text, and then annotate the text. So the first thing teachers need to do before implementing this strategy is assess students individually to find out what they already know. Students should then be divided into guided reading groups based on ability, and a text should be selected. Model the strategies being taught along with the annotation of the text. Next, the teacher must provide opportunities for practice and application. So as far as assessing them, a lot of the assessment questions have everything to do with vocabulary strategies in general. So what vocabulary strategy skills do they have so far where they're able to talk about a text, make predictions, what words do they know, things like that. And it really stems from vocabulary strategies that they have in their pocket already. Once you know that, then you're able to kind of build off of what they know and make those groups again, and then model those strategies. And then the teacher must provide opportunities for practice and application. So it's kind of like, you're modeling it for them, doing it together, lots of scaffolding, but then also giving them a chance to practice and apply those skills and strategies with a new text immediately as soon as you are able to do